Charles Osborne holds the record for the longest hiccuping spree, an astonishing 68 years, starting in 1922 and only ending in 1990. Imagine hiccuping continuously for decades. Osborne's hiccups began unexpectedly while he was weighing a hog and persisted through major life events, from the Great Depression to the space race. Despite seeking numerous medical opinions and trying countless remedies, nothing could cure his relentless hiccups. This bizarre condition even baffled doctors, who could only speculate on its cause. Think about it, that's over 430 million hiccups, every single day, for nearly 7 decades.